I think that HR is extremely important in our world today. It's the backbone of every organization, every company, every university.
The classes are super engaging. A lot of the time, the professors will bring in real-life case studies of what actually happens in the workplace, and we kind of get to work through them with our peers. So you will not be bored in an HRA class. You won't be sitting there listening to lectures the whole time.
I have an internship right now. I'm a student in stress and health assistant. It shows me what to prepare for. I get a lot of information on what to expect.
I actually interned at UDHR, which was such a great experience. I got to see, the behind the scenes of our school, but also learning about my future career path. So that's what I found most rewarding.
The professors have been extremely helpful in sharing their insights into the HR world.
They're very honest, they're very open, they're very willing to give office hours and different types of support if you just need help on anything.
I feel like I've gotten so many opportunities within this major. My freshman year joined the University of Delaware Society of Human Resources Club. I didn't realize how amazing it would be to find other students that were motivated and driven and really wanted to dive deep into the field of HR.
We're working with people. We want to create a positive workplace culture, and we want to, prioritize employee well-being. So learning how to manage those relationships and be a calm mediator and being a good people person is very important, and I really think that UD gave us that.